Breaking: Saraki wins. The Supreme Court frees him. A false assets declaration. The Supreme Court on Friday set free the Senate President, Bukola Saraki, of charges in the case of false assets declaration at the Code of Conduct Tribunal, CCT. The apex court upheld Saraki's appeal and discharged him of the remaining 3 charges against him. The court upheld the appeal in a lead judgment delivered by Justice Sentis Nweze. Umar Danladi-led CCT had in June 2017 terminated the trial and dismissed the entire 18 counts charges preferred against Saraki. The CCT's decision was based on the grounds that the prosecution, with its 4 witnesses and 49 exhibits tendered, only led hearsay evidence which could not be used to connect the Senate President to the 18 counts preferred against him. But, the Court of Appeal in Abuja on December 12, 2017, while ruling on an appeal filed by the federal government contesting CCT's decision, restored 3 out of the dismissed 18 counts and ordered Saraki to return to the CCT to defend the 3 charges. Against this backdrop, Saraki appealed the ruling at the Supreme Court. However, a 5-man panel of the Supreme Court led by Justice Dati Joe Mohammed in a unanimously ruling dismissed the remnant 3 counts, declaring the evidence led by the prosecution as hearsay. In its lead judgment, Nweze upheld Saraki's appeal and dismissed the federal government's appeal. Justice Nweze held that the evidence led by the prosecution at the tribunal was entirely hearsay. The judge held that the Court of Appeal was wrong to have restored 3 out of the 18 counts earlier dismissed by the CCT when it agreed that the evidence led by the prosecution was hearsay. Justice Nweze quoted part of the Court of Appeal's judgment where it held that the prosecution failed to call those who had direct knowledge of the facts sought to be proved to testify, faulting the Court of Appeal's turnaround to restore 3 of the counts based on the evidence it had declared as hearsay. Justice Nweze said it was equivalent to judicial equivalent of a forensic somersault.